Hello everyone, Grandma here. I would like to tell you about a new feature on this channel. Memberships are now open. YouTube recently contacted me about opening up memberships, so we are giving it a try. It is set up as simple as possible. There is one membership level and that costs 99 cents a month. For that price, you get a special membership badge next to your name when you leave a comment under a video. You also get access to special custom emojis to use. The more members we get, the more custom emojis we can unlock. You can get priority response to your comments. So if there is ever a video that gets too many comments to read or response to, yours will be prioritized. All funds from the membership will help us to create more and better videos. Let's take a look at the badges you can earn. New members all get a chocolate chip cookie from Grandma. After a month, the cookie changes to a chocolate frosted donut. After 2 months, you get a cupcake. After 6 months, you get an ice cream sundae. After you've been a member for 12 months, you get a 1-year birthday cake. At 2 years, a slice of cheesecake. At 3 years, a piece of tiramisu. After 4 years, you get Grandma and Grandpa's favorite dessert, a chocolate cake. So we hope you consider joining. We would greatly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a great day.